evening, students. In this video, I would like to explain about substation service area with n number of primary feeders. So before that, we have derived rating of square shaped distribution service area and hexagonal shaped service area. As like this, we will also derive for n number of primary feeders. First is n is equal to how much? 4. Here n equal to 6. Now n equal to n number of primary feeders. So n number of primary feeders ante enti. So you can this is the feeding point substation. Okay, this is a substation. So substation is having n number of feeding primary feeders are drawn from here. Okay. So now let us, I am assuming this is one of the n number of feeders. Okay. Form in circle. So this is the feeder. The length of the n number of primary feeders is equal to Ln. Okay, Ln. So this is the theta. Here also theta. Okay. Now area of the n number of primary feeder is equal to half BH. So half BH. So half B means base of the, this seems to be already, you have seen last two derivation, this seems to be triangle. So triangle area, base is Ln and H is equal to 2x. So where x is equal to tan theta n is equal to tan theta n, this is tan theta n is opposite side by adjacent side, x by adjacent side Ln. So x is equal to tan theta L. Okay, so Ln tan theta. Now how to calculate the x is equal to Ln tan theta? Okay, so now substitute here. H is equal to 2 into x. So 1 by 2 Ln 2 into x means Ln tan theta L, because this is x value and here this is also x. X plus x, 2x. So total h equal to 2x. So 2 get cancelled. Ln square tan theta n. Ln square tan theta n. Okay. Now this is the area of the n number of primary feeders. Okay. Now we have to calculate load. Sn is equal to an into d. Where an is equal to how much? Ln square tan theta n. But theta n, how can you calculate theta n? So one feeder is having 2 theta, am I right? One feeder is having 2 theta. For n number of feeders, 2 n theta. But which must be equal to 360 degrees, as like before derivation. So theta equal to 360 by 2n. If n equal to 4, square area feeder 2 into 4, 8. So 360 by 8. How much you can get? 22.5 degrees. So that is the theta n value. When n equal to 4. When n equal to 6. When n equal to 6, what happened? 2 into 6, 12. So 12 and 360 lo 36 or 3 times, 30 degrees. Okay. So ala meeru theta value ni calculate chestuntaru. N value teliste. So ikkada 2n. Theta n equal to 2n. So Ln square into 360 by 2n. 360 by 2. Now voltage drop of n number of primary feeders equal to for non-uniform distributed load. It seems to be a non-uniform distributed load. Okay. So 2/3 I into Z into Ln in terms of current and impedance. As like this, 2/3 Ln S K into Sn. So 2/3 Ln K into Sn. Instead of Sn you can put Ln square 360 by 2n. Okay. So 2/3 Ln cube K into 360 by 2n is the voltage drop of a n number rating voltage drop of the n number of primary feeders. And so we have derived the voltage drop rating of the n number of primary say area served by a number of primary failures. Okay, thank you. Okay, in the derivation I just forgotten here an into d, so ln square theta tan theta n into d, ln square 360 tan theta n means theta n can be written as 360 by 2n. Okay, so 360 by 2d tan. Okay, now we substitute here k into sn k into ln cube tan 360 by 2n into d. Okay, so finally you can get d into multiply d. I just forgotten density values, substitution of density value here. So this is the final equation of 2/3 ln cube k into d into tan 360 by 2n. This is the value, final value. 2/3 ln cube k into d into tan 360 by 2n.